Hello sunshine seekers, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the charming municipality of Finestrat, a beautiful town that is located on the province of Alicante in the Costa Blanca, overlooking the Mediterranean Sea and the mountains. Today I'll be showing you a contemporary villa. It is detached and it is on a plot of 560 square meters. The property itself is 260 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is distributed on 3 floors. So let's begin the tour. Hello. As I come in through the vehicle entrance point, these are your electric gates. It would allow you entry, and here you can see there is comfortable parking for 2 vehicles. You also have this area here, which is a covered carport area, and this is basically where the surrounding gardens and terraces of your property begins. And so as you come around, you will find that they have a facade with the architectural design of natural stone. You have stairwell here that is made with natural wood. And you also have artificial lawned areas in amongst a landscaped and minimal maintenance garden. Here we are in the lower area of the home. It is a rectangular plot, and so what they have done is really try to maximise the space that the plot enables them to have, as well as form the gardens and terraces around it. And so as you can see here, this area would be the fruit tree garden area. Coming down some more steps and taking you onto another space that also is part of your garden, and this gives you exquisite views over there of the Mediterranean Sea. It also gives you a feel of where you are in Balcon De Finestrat, in the sense that you are overlooking beyond you the mountain ranges and also the different architectural designs of the other properties. So coming back up these stairs, I'm now going to take you to the main outdoor living area for the family. This stairwell has clear balustrades and it enables you to come up and experience here what would be your outdoor terrace that is adjoining your living area. But then it also opens out onto your own private swimming pool. This swimming pool is 10 by 5 meters. Right next to it here you have the outdoor shower for the comfort of the swimmers. And what I love about this pool actually is the turquoise tile that they've decided to go for. You have a fountain in the middle, you have steps, and even an area here which you can quite happily use as a jacuzzi point. Takes you then over to your sun lounging terraces and also to this artificial lawn area which makes a perfect relaxation space. Hello. As I come into the main door, I can feel that I am met immediately with a very light, bright and natural illuminated space. Right here next to the door you have here your alarm system and your intercom system, and it leads onto a hallway area that takes you to the main living areas of the home. As you can see, it opens out onto an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. This space is 50 square meters and the ground floor has a ceiling height of 2.5 meters. As you can see, they have decided to choose porcelain flooring throughout of a lighter tone, and you will see the light bouncing in various areas throughout the space. You also have very large windows and doors, especially here in the living area. These doors enable you access to your terrace and your swimming pool, but it also gives you exquisite views of the Mediterranean Sea and the skyline of Benidorm over there in the distance. Over here you will find that this is your kitchen space. This kitchen space is actually quite a long, but also quite wide kitchen space. It gives you a central island that has your storage cabinets within it, but you also have this very, very deep sense of space that you can have with the drawers of the storage cabinet. You have this granite effect marble top, and then you also have your Bosch oven here, your extractor, your cooker. Along some more, you also then have your dishwasher, the sink, and in this corner also a double refrigerator. What I do like about the kitchen is that you have these large windows that open out and give you exquisite views of the surrounding area. I also like the specifications that come with this home in the sense that you have active systems working with your alarm system, your air filtration and air conditioning system, and you also have the warmth that you will experience during those colder months because of the windows and doors being double glazed. So I'm now taking you along the hall some more. This would be the main guest bathroom, which would be used by this floor. And next to it, you will find that this is the first bedroom. This bedroom could be used as either an office or a bedroom space. It has a large window on one side, and then you also have, it has your integrated wardrobes that are mirrored in all rooms on the other. As I'm coming up the stairs to the first floor, again you get lots of natural light that illuminates the space and clear balustrades as I come up. You're on the first floor here, and immediately you find that in the hall there is the main bathroom. This bathroom is fully equipped and is also light and bright. It then also, next to it in the hall, you will find is the second bedroom. This second bedroom is 14 square meters. It has a large window on one side, offering you views of the surrounding landscape, but then on the other side you also have your integrated wardrobes. Taking you out of the second bedroom and going along the hall some more, and this space here that we're leading to is the primary. The primary has it so that you have your bedroom space completely separate to your ensuite. It is a fully equipped ensuite that you can see also has a bath and a large vanity. And then as you come out of the ensuite, you will then find that it leads to the open expanse of your master bedroom. So this bedroom is 17 square meters. You have on two sides your integrated wardrobes, and then you also have these very large sliding doors that give you access onto a private terrace. What I love about this location is that the terrace is great because you get to see the golf courses nearby, the mountain ranges to the right, in front of you the Mediterranean Sea, and also just, despite there being so much to look at, it actually reminds you of how peaceful Balcon De Finestrat really is. Coming down to the lower floor, basement, you will find that there is another space here for the family to enjoy. As we've done the tour, you've seen that there are areas of the space that look unfinished, and that's because the house has just literally recently been built, and so there are a few things that they do still have to complete upon it being ready. This space is quite impressive in the sense that it could be used as absolutely anything: another living space, a recreational space, even a working space. It offers in this area here 70 square meters, and the ceiling height is maintained as 2.5 meters. As you go in through this space here, you'll find that it's a hall, a rather spacious one that leads to what will be a storage room or a technical area. And then you also have a doorway that leads to a laundry room. This laundry room again lets in plenty of natural light. Will also have adjacent to it a guest toilet, and that's about to be installed. And it even also has a laundry chute, so it will be accessible to other floors. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €800 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a beautiful property with bags of potential if you like living the contemporary minimal type of lifestyle in a great area close to beautiful beaches and natural landscapes just like this. So also remember as well, if you're thinking of buying a property and you'd like to look at mortgages, with 50% of your capital you are eligible, should I say, to apply for a mortgage. Any questions, don't forget to hit us in the comments. And also thank you to all of our lovely clients who recently have expressed their concern over the recent disaster that happened in Valencia. As it is another province, we in Alicante were not actually affected, but obviously we are sending help and love and light to all of those that were affected. Anyway, business continues as usual, and so no doubt I will see you next time. Hasta pronto!